Hey, this is Big Ford Guy here. We're getting ready to go pick up a 79 Thunderbird that hasn't been driven or started in 3 years. So, let's see how it goes. Well, we're heading to get a 79 Thunderbird. Ain't nobody on the road because of the virus. Got Uncle Mel with me. We're going to get the car actually for him. You guys all know me. I got tons of Fords. But I just want to show you the roads are empty. So I'll videotape when we get at the car. Yeah. Well guys, Big Ford Guy here, and this is what we're picking up, hopefully. We checked it out. It's got a 302 in it. It's a 79 Ford Thunderbird. But we're going to take it for a ride, and if so, we got to drive it like 140 miles back. In the coronavirus pandemic, sorry, didn't even say that right. So, but this is what we come to pick up. Figured I'd do this all with you, come along for the ride, something to do. But yep, that's what we're picking up. So guys, we're going to be taking this for a test drive. We might be buying it. I think he will be buying it. But he's going to take it for a test drive because we got to drive it back. We just want to make sure nothing's hanging up. One of these times I'll do a revival with you guys too. But this is what the car looks like. So, needs a muffler, needs a little bit of work. So, the 79 Thunderbird. That's what it looks like. He's going to take it for a ride. I'm sorry to move the camera so much. Try to get you guys a little video system. Feel it down the road. But yeah, he gets back if he buys it. I'll do more video and we'll take some on the way home. Well guys, he ended up buying a T-Bird. My mirror. We're going to drive it probably 120 miles home. So as soon as we get going here, I don't know why I pulled over, but as soon as we get going here, so we'll be going down the road. Like I said, we're about 120 miles away from home, so we're about 2 hours from the house where the car is going. So here we go. Needs a muffler. Needs a muffler. You have to do some work to it, but we'll end up getting it. It's a 79. He wanted to come and get it. We might have to stop somewhere along the way to put plugs and wires in it unless it gets going really good. We'll figure that out as we go. I figured I'd do a little video. I'd do a little video of it. Give you some mileage of it, but I'll do some more videos as we go. Got 110 miles to go. Had to stop, fix the carburetor. Carburetor pump on the front of the carburetor was froze. So, find out. Went uphill. Hey guys, we had to stop. I just got back in the truck. The accelerator pump on the carburetor was stuck. So we're going to need to get another carburetor. But we're getting ready here to move on, so we'll see what happens. See how it starts up. So, see if it starts up and runs. It needs a little bit of work, like everything we get, but he got a real good deal on it, so. It's his first classic in a while. I told him he should get something. He's decided to get this, so. started. Let's see if we can get it going now. So I can take some more video as we go. So let's hope we don't have no more problems with it. Well, we stopped to get gas for it. How's it drive? Does it?
Smoking?
No. All your lights work too. You have to get gas.
28 miles to 81.
No smoking, no nothing.
And just not wrapping.
All your lights work. You just need to put bulbs in them. If it's not working on the dash, you have to take a dash apart and put a bulb in it.
The dash ain't working. They all work in the back?
All work. Everything. Brake lights, singles, everything. So, that's my Uncle Mel. This is his first Classic, but he got it a T-Bird because he had one before. So this is the car.
Nothing. Nothing leaking. Look.
Stopping getting gas for it. We still got like, I don't know, maybe 80 miles to go back to Syracuse.
There's more soda back there.
So, I'm good.
What pump says?
You'll be all over YouTube, Mel. That's the front of it. Another thing I want to say, the car hasn't been driven since we've driven it today in 3.5 years. It's been sitting in a garage. So, but we'll get back on the road. I'll take more videos. Thank you.
That 302 is tough. You're not going to kill it. They wanted 25. I got a few 12? 31. 31.50. Really? That was a good buy. $1,200. I just threw that at him like an airplane. 80-something thousand miles.
Some guys talking about the old Fords and shit. So, over here we got like 80 miles to go back. I'll take some video on the way back too. All right, guys. This far, guys. I mean, if we've messed with the accelerator pump, everything else looks good. Seems we need a carburetors. We need some different work. So, but there she is. That's what she looks like. Get it back to Syracuse. Get it back to Syracuse. So far it's going good. It needs a little bit of work, but we'll see as we get down further. So far, so good. Like I said, the only problem we've had so far, the accelerator pump didn't want to work. It's still leaking, so it's going to probably need a carburetor on it. But we'll even know if anything happens.
Safe drivers can save 40%
still going.
just by doing something.
Still doing good, so.
Driving safe. That's right, 40% just by driving safe. Visit offstreet.com.
I think we're going to make it all the way there.
And see just how much you can save when you drive
Looks
safe.
good.
Not available in every state. Savings vary based on drivewise and out of state driving discounts and subject to terms, conditions, and availability. Also,
Take some more video to the side for you.
We know the backbone of our country is built by local businesses like yours. We also know that during times like this, 92% of Americans turn to radio to hear information about brands they trust from people they can trust. That's why Iron Media is here for you.
So far, like I said, so far so good, guys. I'll do a video when I get at the house. When we get it there.
Your audience listening, and it's time you sent them a message. Call now. 1-800.
Well, guys, we made it. It's at the house. He's putting it in here with the rest of them. So they're all working, but there she is. We got her here. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be doing more videos on the Thunderbird. And I'll see you on my next video.